Yeah, big time. Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Daniel Medina, and I am at an open house in Scottsdale, Arizona today. This is a one-bedroom, one-bath unit. It's 1,000 square feet. I'm on Camelback and 68th Street. I can probably, if I climbed a tree, see Fashion Square Mall. So the location, and then there's a big Camelback Mountain and behind me to the right. So as far as location, zip code, this is a very desirable part of town. I will say this community is, I would say for the majority, is a 55 plus. It is not regulated as a 55 plus, but it is that chapter of your life type of community. They have a pool, they have a bar, they have a ping pong, they have various locations to visit outdoors. It's a clubhouse. It reminds me a little bit of a community in Apache Junction that made of mobile homes. So it's basically kind of a chapter home, right? The end of the golden years chapter home. Everything is all the landscaping is maintained by the HOA. The beauty of this type of home and the attraction of this home is kind of like a club membership, people in similar places in life, opportunity to socialize, super quiet. I've been here since 11, and other than one realtor who's driving kind of fast, it's been it's been really calming. Actually, it's like a Zen garden in here. Really manicured, nice lawns, the whole bit. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. Hopefully you're enjoying what I'm posting on YouTube. I do look forward to posting, better video, music, etc., as the year progresses. We are in a active building stage now, taking listings, and for the first half of the year, we're going to do a reduced listing package for our people. So if you're coming to the Bay Area, or not to the Bay Area, the Phoenix area, please keep me in mind. I'll leave the phone number at the end, and we would appreciate the opportunity for interview for the position of being your agent out here. In any event, let's give you a quick view of the home here, so you can get to see what we're showing. The other side of this wall here is the living room. This is the neighbors. She's super nice, ex-realtor. She talked to me for about 10 minutes. Very nice lady. And this is the master bedroom. So it is a shared wall community. There is separation between the units, but some walls are shared. Okay. And then one of the first things that I noticed as I approached this home, there she is. I was just saying how nice you were. I'm on YouTube making a video, so I was just saying how pleasant you were.
Listen, who's your company?
Give me a second. Let me finish this video. Yeah. So I'm going to come up the stairs here. This is a nice raised elevation, guardrail if you need it. And then this is a one-bedroom unit. Okay. Tall altered ceilings, brick wall. That's going to be your kitchen, new appliances, eating area. It's got a small patio here. That gate goes, if you want to go straight to the parking lot, you could there. And then this is going to be the master. Not a small master, walk-in closet, great windows, bathroom, washer and dryer in the bathroom. So in an event to have more content on YouTube, I will be doing these as I do open houses. Again, in an active building stage for 2024, our goal is to do 8 million at least. Appreciate the time and attention. Take care. God bless.